Really excited to really be here and see the impact that this particular medical camp has had on the community. I've gone through all the screening stations, the AI units that they've actually embedded. I think it's good to see that we've actually embedded digital in carrying out these medical tests for the community, and really seeing the different specialists around attending to the community is quite impressive. It's about midday right now, and you can see the crowd that has come here is over 2,000 plus since morning, hoping to get to about 6,000 by the end of the day. So this is impactful. This is touching the community in a very deep way. This being the 8th medical camp that we're doing and continuously doing 2 camps per month, I think this really makes a difference in transforming lives.
We are very glad today the Kisii County government, the Governor Paul Barati, MPESA Foundation, Zuri Health. We have a medical camp going on at the Kisii primary school grounds, and you can see for yourselves the numbers, and therefore you can imagine what the needs of the health of our people is like. We thank the MPESA Foundation. They donated to us some mama packs, which has gone towards really appreciating the mothers who have delivered in hospitals. And the whole idea is to really encourage our mothers to deliver in hospital, because in this era we don't want to see mothers who deliver at home, because it comes at a cost in terms of potential complications. At this ground, we have a huge population here, and the needs around non-communicable diseases. A number of our patients, a number of our people are suffering from hypertension, cancer, fistula.
We are ensuring that this camp happens. So I think with the partnership, we are actually making it happen. We've seen is quite high non-communicable diseases that have been checked in this camp. This goes to actually show why the partnership is important, because beyond the camp, there are those that will still continue seeing the doctor, and that's why having Kisii Hospital here is actually goes to see that beyond today, we still follow through to see that you actually, the patients that we're going to see today, get full treatment.
Fistula is an abnormal communication between the birth canal and either the outlet for stool or for urine in women. The commonest cause is when mothers deliver away from hospitals, and due to obstructed labor, they end up suffering those abnormal communications. And the idea is we are encouraging any mother who is at home who has an abnormal communication. And how do you know we have abnormal communication? Either urine or stool is passing through the birth canal, and therefore they should come to hospital. We have partners like the Zuri, the MPESA Foundation, who are willing to even pay for their medical bills so that they can go through surgeries. Already, as of this moment, we have around 12 mothers who have been booked for surgery at the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, courtesy of the MPESA Foundation, and they are going to pay all the bills associated with the surgeries. We have more screening going on, and we are trying to encourage our people. Don't stay at home. Come to hospital, know your blood pressure levels, know your sugar levels, know your weight. Screening for cancer. Cancers are killing our people at home because they're not coming to hospitals. So we are encouraging everyone at home. We have women who are suffering from cancer of the breast, cancer of the cervix. Please come. Screenings are there in our hospitals so that we can pick these cancers early. This month, the theme is cancer awareness, and we are encouraging people to go to hospitals. Even if it's a dispensary near you, start from there. At Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, we have enough specialists, we have enough equipment to really screen and really get to intervene.
Of course, there are those that will be identified for surgery. I think by the time I was at that test, more than 10 surgeries have been identified. And indeed, we will see to it that surgeries are done.
Thank these collaborations. We look forward for more of similar medical camps, because the need is huge. Imagine this is just at Kisii Primary. What of the whole